Good day to each and everyone. So today we're going to discuss the Module 8 in Literature 1. We're going to discuss the following: Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tales, Grimm's fairy tales, Disney versus Grimm's, original versions of children fairy tales, The 1001 Nights, The Tale of Peter Rabbit, Curious George, Charlotte Webb, and Winnie the Pooh. Under the Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tales, there are 10 stories. We have The Emperor's New Clothes, The Little Mermaid, The Nightingale, The Steadfast Tin Soldier, The Red Shoes, The Princess and the Pea, The Snow Queen, The Ugly Duckling, The Little Match Girl, and Thumbelina. The Emperor's New Clothes. An emperor paid swindlers to weave beautiful fabrics for him, aiming to identify unfit individuals and distinguish wise from foolish ones. The emperor, unaware of the material, praises the intricate pattern and colors but cannot see it. He advises the emperor to wear the cloth for a procession, and the swindlers help him with the outfit. The emperor is amazed by the perfect fit and the magnificent outfit and continues the procession proudly. Next is the Little Mermaid. In a beautiful ocean, six sea princesses grow up and become homesick. A young mermaid rescues a drowning prince and returns to her father's palace. She learns humans have immortal souls and steals from her father's palace. She charms everyone, including the prince, and helps him marry a neighboring king's daughter. Despite this, she dances on a ship, wishing to see her husband again. She is raised to the realm of airy spirits. Next is the Nightingale. The Emperor of China had a beautiful palace and garden admired by travelers. He called his lord in waiting, who promised to find the nightingale, a bird known for its singing abilities. The emperor was moved by the nightingale's performance and received an artificial bird with diamonds, rubies, and sapphires. The artificial bird sang the same song as the real nightingale, and the emperor was banished. The nightingale brought hope and comfort to the emperor, asking for his heart and crown to be hidden. Next is the steadfast tin soldier. A group of 5 and 20 tin soldiers, born from the same old tin spoon, were brought together by a boy named Aristotle. They were surrounded by a beautiful lady and a tin soldier. Despite various challenges, the soldiers remained steadfast, including falling from a window ledge, being swallowed by a fish, and being cut open in a kitchen. The soldiers returned to the same room with the dancer, but the soldier was found in the shape of a heart. Next is the red shoes. Karen, a poor girl, wears red shoes made by an old mother shoemaker. Despite warnings from the old lady, she continues to admire them. Karen dances at church, causing fear and confusion. She is eventually executed with the red shoes, but repents and returns to church. An angel opens the church to Karen, filling her with joy and peace. Next is The Princess and the Pea. The story follows a prince who struggles to find a suitable wife for a princess. One night, a mysterious woman claims to be a princess, but the prince's mother doubts her. She tests the prince's family by placing a pea under a mattress, which makes her feel uncomfortable. The prince and the princess marry and the pea is placed in a museum. Next is the Snow Queen. A troll creates a mirror that distorts people's appearances, causing cold dispositions. Little Kai and Gerda grow vegetables and roses, and Gerda learns about the Snow Queen. Kai becomes aggressive but studies snowflakes and teases her. Gerda discovers Kai died in a river, and she meets a clever princess and prince. She is captured but saved by a robber girl and reindeer. Gerda's love saves Kai and they dance, causing splinters to spell eternity. Next is the ugly duckling. A duckling perceived as ugly, suffers abuse, and wanders with wild ducks and geese. He finds a home with an old woman but faces taunts. Despite seeing a migrating swan flock, he cannot join them. As a mature duckling, he joins the swans, embracing their beauty. The Little Match Girl. On the freezing New Year's Eve, a poor young girl struggles to sell matches in the street, fearing her father's punishment. She lights matches to warm herself, seeing comforting vision like a warm iron stove, roasted goose, and a Christmas tree. Each vision disappears, but she keeps her grandmother's vision alive by lighting the entire bundle. When the matches are gone, she freezes to death, carrying her soul to heaven. The next morning, passers-by find her with a smile unaware of her wonderful vision. Last but not the least is the Thumbelina. Thumbelina is a tiny girl, is born from a barley corn and is taken by a toad to marry her son. She escapes and is captured by a cockchafer. Thumbelina finds shelter with an old field mouse and a swallow. The mouse suggests Thumbelina marry the mole, but Thumbelina refuses due to the mole's underground nature. She flees to a sunny field with the swallow, marrying a flower fairy prince named Maya. The main characters are Gerda, Kai, the Snow Queen, the Devil, Bay, the grandmother, the old woman who understood witchcraft, the ugly duckling, the little mermaid, the sea witch, and the little mermaid's sisters. Theme of this is prolific Danish writer Hans Christian Andersen in the year 1805 to 1875 is one of the most beloved children's writer to have ever liked, known for his fantastical fairy tales that features ducklings, mermaids, emperors, and queens. His stories also commonly explore universal themes such as poverty, charity, and inequality. The setting is contemporary and historical Denmark, so a lot of Andersen's stories are set in Denmark, either the Denmark he knew and loved during his lifetime in the year 1805 to 1875 or the past. Lessons are first, the greatest lessons are often hidden in the simplest form. Second, you can learn a lot from new and uncomfortable situations. Third, surround yourself with those whom you aspire to be like. Fourth, don't be defined by how others see you. Fifth, always look for what can be cured. Grimm Fairy Tale Summary. Grimm Fairy Tales is a classic collection of folklore by Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm, published in 1812 to 15. It comprises around 200 stories, mostly from oral sources, such as Hansel and Gretel, Snow White, Little Red Riding Hood, Sleeping Beauty, Tom Thumb, Rapunzel, The Golden Goose, and Rumpelstiltskin. These universally appealing stories have inspired numerous adaptations in various forms, including print, theo- theatrical, operatic, balletic, and cinematic. The work has been translated into numerous languages. Next is the main characters. We have Queen Clementiana, Cinderella, Rapunzel, Hansel Grimm, Gretel, Little Red Riding Hood, Rumpelstiltskin. Next is the theme. The original Grimm Brothers fairy tales aim to teach important morals about life, just like the Disney version that we grew up with. However, these stories also show very common themes about the structures of family and society as a whole. Next is we have the setting. In many fairy tales, there are three common settings: a village where the people are poor and hardworking, a castle that houses royalty, and forests which may be associated with an evil villain or something kind of magic. We have the lesson. The original Grimm Brothers fairy tales aim to teach important morals about life, just like the Disney versions that we grew up with. However, these stories also show very common themes about the structure of family and society as a whole. Disney versus Grimm summary. The brothers Grimm and Walt Disney fairy tales were influenced by their own motivations. The brothers Grimm aimed to reunify Germany by collecting stories that accurately represented their country's history, while Disney aimed to self-configure himself into history. The storytelling of Snow White differs significantly with Disney, focusing on animation and presentation that the dwarves as hardworking people. The movie's ending, which includes a witch accidentally killing herself, appeals to a wider audience and better fits the 1930s era. So we have the theme. Grimm's fairy tales were known as gruesome parables that spoke of harsh realities and were told to people of all ages. Disney is identified by their hopeful and imaginary stories aimed at the audience of children. The reasoning behind this stark contrast of fairy tales is for numerous diverse explanations. The original versions of children's fairy tales. Summary. The story revolves around Shahryar and Sarazad, who are forced to marry each night and have their daughters killed. Shahrar's brutal law is exposed to the people, who are shocked by the brutality. Shahrazad, the daughter of the vizier, convinces her father to offer her to Shahryar. She tells stories about romances, tragedies, and epic adventures, often with one of her characters telling their own story. This story continues for 101 nights, with the king agreeing to hear the rest if she lives long enough. Shahyar eventually falls in love with her and renounces his law. The main characters are Shirazwade, Sinbad, Shahryar, Shahzaman, Dunyazad, Jafar, King Yunan, Morgiana, Alishar, Duban, Sinbad the Porter, Prince Ahmed, Maruf the Cobbler, Prince Dain ay Asnam, Zumurud, Prince Ali, Harun al-Rashid, Ali Baba, Aladdin, and Prince Husainin. The theme of this is a common theme in many Arabian Nights tales is fate and destiny. Italian filmmaker Pier Paolo Pasolini observed, every tale in Thousand and One Night begins with an appearances of destiny, which manifests itself through an anomaly, and one anomaly always generates another. So a chain of anomalies is set up. The setting it scenes is Central Asia or the islands of Peninsula of the India and China, where King Shahyar, after discovering that during these absences his wife has been regularly unfaithful, kills and those with whom she played betrayal him. Lessons. The takeaway message for the reader should be that everyone, regardless of gender, should be treated with respect and given the chance to demonstrate their worth. In conclusion, the narrative of the genie and his wife is where the mortal worth, the thousands and one nights, becomes most apparent. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Summary. The Tale of Peter Rabbit is a children's book written and illustrated by Beatrix Potter that follows mischievous and disobedient young Peter Rabbit as he gets into and is chased around the garden of Mr. McGregor. He escapes and returns home to his mother, who puts him to bed after offering him chamomile tea. The main characters is Peter Rabbit, his mother, his three sisters, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. The theme is the tale of Peter Rabbit is popular because despite being a children's book, it has a very mature theme. The world is a dangerous place. Peter's father was killed for sneaking into Mac George Garden, and Peter almost meets the same fate. He doesn't win, but rather simply survives. The setting of this is in England's Lake District. Peter Rabbit, his cousin Benjamin Bunny, and Peter's triplet sisters Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail spend most of their days picking on Mr. Joey McGregor and stealing vegetables from his garden. The moral lesson of this story is that there are consequences to their actions. The world has many dangers, and it's important to listen to directions to avoid them. Curious George summary. Curious Monkey George is taken by the man in the yellow hat to the city. He falls into the water and is rescued by the ship crew. George is mistakenly arrested by the fire department, but escapes and finds the balloon seller. The man in the yellow hat saves him and takes him to the zoo. The main characters are Curious George, Mr. Reckins, Bestie, Chef Pisgetti, Charky, Ali Wooks, Claire, Zucchini, Aunt Margaret, Mr. Zubel, Dinwoody, the doorman, Handley, Nochi, the narrator, Nettie Pizzetti, Andy, Leo, Giussini, James, Arnold, Taylor, Great Aunt Silva, Bill, Steve, E.G. Daly, Professor Wiseman or Kimberly Brooks, Masasa Moyo, Rolanda Watts, Carla, Dr. Baker. Setting the big city. Setting is City George and the man with the yellow hat live in apartment in the big city. The actual name of the city is unknown but has some similarities to New York. However, in the episode Curious George takes a vacation, an airport worker mentions they're in Illinois, meaning they possibly live in Chicago. The lessons are first is curiosity is contagious. Second, there's an adventure around every corner. Third, be grateful for others. Fourth, curiosity can be messy. And last is life is a party. Charlotte's Web Summary. Charlotte's Web is a story of friendship, courage, and self sacrifice. Wilbur is a pig who finds out that he is destined for slaughter. His friend, a spider named Charlotte, who lives in the doorway of his pig pen, determines to save him. She accomplishes this by spinning words about him in her web. The main characters are Charlotte, A. Cavadica, Fred Arabel, Templeton, Henry Fussy Homer, Zuckerman, Avery Arabel, Wilbur Ankel. Theme: Charlotte's Web by E.B. White is a story of Wilbur and Charlotte. The book's theme of friendship and perseverance show in the relationship between characters and in their determination. The setting of Charlotte Web is primarily in the countryside at the Arabel family farm, the Zuckerman farm, and the fairgrounds. The book takes place between the 1930 and 1950s time period. The lessons are first, always fight injustice when you see it. Second, people will believe anything in print. Third is friendship change over time. Fourth, always play to your strength. Fifth, death is an inevitable part of life. Six, appearances are deceiving. Seven, people changes when someone believes in them. Eight, helping others makes us better. Nine, teamwork makes things possible. And last, 10, friendship is one of the most important part of the life. Winnie the Pooh Summary. Winnie the Pooh contains 10 short stories about Pooh and his friends in the Hundred Acre Woods as they follow their imagination to find adventure, using a simple ideas and friendship to overcome any obstacles they face. The main characters are Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, Eeyore, Christopher Robin, Roo, Kanga, Rabbit, Owl, Winnie the Witch, and Tiger. The theme of this is the overall theme of Winnie the Pooh is the importance of forming solid, lasting friendship. With good friends, you will always have someone there to lean on, someone who will go on adventure and expeditions with you, and even someone who might invite you over for tea and a mouthful of something. The setting: 100 Acre Wood. The story are set in 100 Acre Wood, which was inspired by 500 Acre Wood in Ashdown Forest in East Sussex, situated 30 miles 48 kilometers south of London, where the Londoner Mines Country's home was located. The lessons are first, seize the day. Second, always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Third, we all feel different because we are. Fourth, kindness is a gift everyone can afford to give. Fifth, sometimes just being there is enough. Sixth is the little things that count. Last, seventh, listen with your ears, brain, eyes, and heart.